Oh, hi everyone. I guess it's time for another episode of Trailer Class. I was getting ready to make ourselves a little snack since we're on a shoestring budget today. What we're going to have is framed eggs. Some people call them church eggs, or eggies in a basket. But basically, it's an egg and a piece of toast that you cut out. Right here, I just have a piece of Tupperware, and you can use Tupperware, a shot glass, a cookie cutter, or even just cut it out with a knife. And what you're going to want to do is cut a hole in your bread, like so it comes out. So when we warm up our burner over there, we're going to drop our egg right in the middle of that. Alright, we're starting our burner over here, as you always recall. Keep that handle back there. We're going to start warming it up on a high heat, and then we're going to lower it down to a nice medium, much like that grilled cheese, if you remember, all the way back in the day. And so we're going to drop a little bit of oil there on our pan. You can also melt butter, but we're out of butter right now, so we're using oil. And this show's all about being on a budget, so oil's going to work just fine. Alright. Now, if you want, before you do this, you can always take your bread with the hole in it, put your cat's face through it, but I don't recommend that if you're going to eat it. But if you're serving it to a friend, definitely do that. That way you can probably get some cat hair on it for a buddy. They're into that. So we got that sizzle there. We take our egg, nice, and drop it right on in there. Look at that. Now we're going to just sit here and watch it cook until it gets all the way white up around in the middle of it. We're going to want to what is that called? Over medium is what we're going to be going for as far as our egg temperature goes. But if you want, you can always dab some salt and pepper on there. I like a little pepper on my eggs, so we'll just add some of that right there. Get this damn thing open. It's all greasy. And a little pepper on there. And when it's ready to go, when it's up to the tip that you like, take your spat, get underneath there, flip it on over, booyah. And another like 30 seconds, this is going to be nice and good enough to eat, nice and yucky. We got our plate right over here, ready to go. Alright, we're about done, so we take it, put it on our plate, and then with this little extra guy right here, you just leave it on there and you toast this up really quick, like so. So you have something to help absorb all that gooey, yummy egginess that's going to be coming out of there. Because I like mine gooey. Some people like it hard, but I like it a little bit gooey in the middle. My favorite part about cooking this little piece of toast up last is it kind of looks like a little pancake. And you just serve it up to the side right there. Yeah. Alright, well, and this is eggies in a basket, framed eggs, church eggs, or... Alright, these are framed eggs, or church eggs, or eggies in the basket if you're a fan of that Vendetta movie, but overall, it's a quick little snack, great for breakfast, and great for eating. If you got kids, whatever, or you're living on a shoestring budget, this thing costs less than like 25 cents. Alright, now that it's not no longer hot to the touch, I'm going to dig in here. Get a nice little crunch off there. See all that oiliness? Got a big old bite of this guy right here from the corner. Magnificent. Well, folks, let's go see what's going on out in the garage. Well, that's the end of our show for today. Catch you all next time.